Hello guys, welcome to my video. I'm Mandy from 中天星火 Machinery Co. Limited. Today we are doing sawdust extrusion test. Our stuff is feeding materials. The liquid comes out first. It will keep running as long as we keep feeding. This wonderful dewatering screw press equipment can work continuously. When the sawdust fills the whole extrusion chamber, the squeezed sawdust will be pushed out from the back part of the machine. The liquid keeps running out. This is where the squeezed sawdust comes out. I will show you how dry my hand is after I grab the squeezed sawdust and squeeze it hard with my one hand. Okay then, bye for now.